Really exciting one to show you today. Watch me build a social media automation on autopilot in less than 10 minutes. Have a watch and let me know what you think. Right, let's go ahead and get this AI automation built. Quickly I can do it, but also not so quickly that you get completely confused. So first step is to add your Google Sheet, because this is where the automation will be watching for the inputs. So spreadsheet, I've already made a spreadsheet, article ideas. They're not articles, they're going to be posts, social media posts. Connect up the sheet, table contains headers, mine doesn't. If yours does, then click yes. Limit not to one, because I want the automation just to process one input at a time. Going to click save. Right, next step is to connect our large language model. I'm going to use Perplexity because it's good at searching the web and taking resources from the internet, basically. Going to click Sonar, which is the model of the LLM. Content, that's the first row there. User, and what we also want to do is to put our prompt in. Okay, so I'm going to put the prompt in. Delete this, put this back in. So the prompt is, you're a world-class researcher and will create summarized articles based on the keyword ideas in the spreadsheet. Keyword ideas or links. Ensure you search the web for the best content and come up with a thoughtful article. Now, you're a world-class researcher. Positive reinforcement helps large language models produce better content. Essentially, like anything in life, if you're nice, you'll get a better result. So we'll click save. What I want to do is to actually test this out. So I'm going to type in best home gym equipment, and I'm going to run, there we go, this work to get a number one. That means that there's an output, and then this is doing its job right now. Right, there we go. I'm going to click this. I'm going to not look at, you don't need to look at the inputs because that's what you put in. Output, there we go. Best home gym equipment, blah, blah, blah. There we go. And it came up with cons as well. Right, so the next step is to now connect this up to more large language models, and then connect that to our social medias. So we're going to use, apologies, just going to delete this. Based on how many accounts you want to post to will depend how many routes you choose. So in this example, I'm going to use two, Facebook and LinkedIn. So we're going to use ChatGPT to create our Facebook post. We connect ChatGPT to make.com using our API connection. I've already got mine connected. It's really simple to do. All you need to do is you just need to type OpenAI API, and then you'll be able to get your API key. Model. Now I'm going to get the prompt for this. There we go. This is the prompt that we're going to use. Act as a world-class social media manager. Again, we're using positive reinforcement. Create a post that's engaging, insightful content, clear call to actions, encourage interaction. Now, one really important point to make out is that the formatting can be a little bit off sometimes. So especially outputs from large language models like ChatGPT, Claude, Perplexity, the formatting is completely off. So when it goes to social media, you'll have a load of asterisks in there, hashtags in places that you just don't want it, and it doesn't look great. So what I tend to do is just tell the large language model what to do in the prompt. So for example, give me the answer in plain text about any formatting. Please do not bold any text. Do not number any bullet points, and feel free to keep using emojis to liven up the posts. And then what we do is, here is a summary of the article I want you to write a Facebook post about. And we come here, which is the original output of Perplexity, choices, message, content. And what this will do now is look at what was created by Perplexity, which was that article that we saw, and then summarize it down even further and create a Facebook post based off that. And then what we do here, we connect our Facebook page, create a post. Again, I've already created my connection. It's really simple to do. Got pages here. Message will be the content that we get from here. There we go. Now the second social channel I will use for this example is my LinkedIn. Okay, so I'm going to add the prompt here. Assume the role of an industry expert, create a LinkedIn post, encourage fresh engagement, etc., etc. Only use 3,000 characters. There's a character limit on LinkedIn. And again, you must follow, etc. Do not bold these words. We need to put the output here. So again, yep, cool. Save this. And then we're going to link up LinkedIn. So create a user text post. Content will be our output from ChatGPT. So I'm going to save that. Okay, so let's run this and check the results. We can see that it's created the outputs. We can have a look at this. There we go. So ready to transform your fitness journey. And then if I come to my Facebook page, there we go. Ready to transform your fitness journey. And if there's any further edits you want to make to this post, you can just click here and edit the post. But yeah, there we go. That's Facebook. And this is our LinkedIn post here. It's quite wordy, so I would probably go back and ask the prompt just to make it a bit more fun, more emojis, what you generally see on LinkedIn, because this is a bit more like an essay. But that's pretty much it. Like I said, what you can also do is put a URL. You can take a news article and put that in this row here if you wanted to, and it will do exactly the same thing. So let's say you see a blog that you like the look of, you can put that in here. So there we have it. That was the social media automation agent, built in under 10 minutes. Really simple to set up, but extremely powerful. It makes the job of creating content for social media so much easier. Definitely one that I've been utilizing a lot in our businesses. Look, if you want any more advice, if you want any more help, pop me a message, pop a comment down below, subscribe, like this video. There's going to be so much more content to come in the future. But anyway, got to go now. Take care.